All right, guys, so we're back. I kind of failed on this one. I tried getting content, but I didn't really get it because I was with myself, getting frustrated and struggling and everything else. So we didn't end up doing anything with it. I was gonna just post a couple clips of us starting it and kind of going from there, but I figured I'd do something else. I got 2 beers because I have a guest here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get his input on it because I did, and I can tell you all the little flaws, and it's not perfect. We did wrap the car gray, but what we're going to do is we're going to get his input on it to get an outside standpoint on it to see actually how bad it is, because there's a lot of imperfections, and I'll point them out to you, but I 100% don't recommend doing it yourself. Pay someone to do it because it's not fun. So I'm going to make this one pretty quick and short because obviously I screwed up and to get any content out of this one, but we'll get his input on it, and then we'll go from there. There's nobody. There he is. There you go.
All right.
So you gotta tell me your thoughts on it.
Okay. I think it looks great, dude.
Even with the yellow headlights.
Even with the I think you paint match the headlights.
We're not paint matching the headlights.
Not even leaving them.
Yeah.
I think maybe some bronze rims.
The bronze rims are kind of gay.
Bronze rims would be tits, pal. Bronze rims would be tits.
No. So
I think some yellow highlights somewhere to fucking complement the headlights would be.
there is yellow highlights. So I'll show you after. But
you show me after.
Let's go. Walk around. Give me a little talk on it. What do you think? What do you think?
I think she's dirty. She's obviously been out lately.
I took her out for a weekend.
Yeah, I can tell. Okay. I think the light hits it nice. I think you know what I think you should do. I think maybe next winter we get it painted this color.
I know. I would never wrap this again. I fucking hate it.
I think the paint would definitely do it justice.
So you know how you wanted the yellow marks?
Yeah.
If you stand here, you can still see yellow.
Yeah, underneath. Yeah, you
can still see yellow there. And there's spots, guys. There's spots. Like if you stand here, you can see the yellow up here.
What if we did fucking like the racing stripes?
Just did yellow. I could just cut it. Cut it right out. Yeah. Actually, if you wait long enough, though, it's probably gonna peel up because nothing is sticking to this car. I tried prepping it the best I can, but it won't stick.
The hand welds.
But the best part is too, obviously, because I didn't care. And I'm not a pro. Still lost yellow when you open the door.
Fuck yeah. Alright, so you gonna let me take it out or what?
No. You're drinking. You can't drive a car.
You're right.
And you almost crashed the last time you drove it, so.
Yeah, I did a sick fucking burnout in the middle of Burlington. That's what happened.
It is true. But not bad.
No, you know what? Honestly,
it's 10-footer. It's 10-footer.
Yeah, solid 10-footer.
Except when you're driving. The one thing that drives me nuts when you're driving is the mirrors, because all the wrinkle and stuff, obviously I didn't really care.
You can see. Yeah.
I had it trimmed short, like right on it, but then you can see yellow.
True.
And I hated that more, so.
Yeah. But I think, honestly, the paint, I love this color. Love the color. I think if you painted it, it would be fucking tits.
So there we go. I didn't do too bad for my first time wrapping a car.
Honestly, you did a pretty good job.
It's not bad.
The only spots you can tell is like the hard spots, like fucking here, obviously. A couple spots up here that are hard to get to.
The bumper's the worst too.
Yeah,
the front bumper.
Right on here.
No, not even. That's rude. It's not bad. I was more talking about like the fact that I had to do an inlay here, and it's peeling there, and it's peeling over there.
Yeah. But honestly, you can't tell unless I'm fucking down here looking at it.
Yeah. She ain't half bad. I'll say that. She does need a bath though, because I still have somehow polish all over this door skirts and everything. Yeah, and a hint of advice to everybody: polish. If you get it on your dash, wash it off right away, or it stays on there forever.
What about you got that shit that defogs headlights? I know you gotta have some somewhere on that fucking truck.
Somewhere there I got a headlight kit. Yeah. But I'm getting new lenses for this because I'm probably going to paint them. Yeah.
We did. Smoke lenses.
Talk about it.
And
It's a
fucking
thought.
smoke-
It's a
smoke
thought.
tail
It is a thought.
Smoke those fucking reflectors.
I do want to black those out, black the fronts out, smoke those, and then probably get new taillights because I don't like the hard red. But
You know what would be really sick, honestly? If you got those aftermarket clear tail lights.
yeah, so those are like $1,000 for a set.
$1,000?
Yeah, and I don't care enough. That's another video. So shitty video, guys. We got Duncan back for another video. It's pretty cool. But the next video is definitely gonna be the handbrake because I don't know if you noticed in this video at all, but the handbrake's actually already in the car. So
What?
Yeah, it's already mounted. It's mounted. It's not doing it yet because calipers aren't on the back. Calipers is sitting on the bench over somewhere here on the ground. But if you guys like and subscribe, I will have another video shortly. I'm just waiting for a couple more parts for the rear brakes, and then we will get them installed. So just click on and check back soon. Also, 10 out of 10, paint your car or pay somebody to wrap because it freaking sucks so much.
Dope.
And now he's excited
The
over something.
handbrake
So
is fucking dope.
check in soon, guys.